South African sisters Michelle and Mo Mokone started their brand, Mo's Crib, selling hand-woven homeware and decor at local weekend markets. Now it's a multinational venture, with the sustainable and recycled products stocked by large US outlets, including Crate and Barrel and Target. Co-founder Mo Mokone says around 75% of their business comes from the United States.
I think the first reason why I would think that Americans like us is because we're authentic. I think more than anything, we look like the people that make the product. And for the very first time, we're seeing a Black African that's representing the artisans that are making the product.
Mo's sister and co-founder, Michelle Mokone, says she thinks their popularity is also due to the fact that the company is green.
Well, the kind of plastic that we use is actually one of the least recycled plastics in the world. It's called a PVC, also known as polyvinyl chloride, and it's basically like a cable pipe, or they use it as a water pipe, in construction. So our main source of this particular plastic was landfills.
Without the tariff-free policy, Mo says the sisters wouldn't be where they are today.
If we lost access to AGOA, it would have a huge impact on us. We've got favorable shipping rights to the USA, and that also makes us a favorable supplier to our customers, particularly the wholesalers in the US. And probably without it, we wouldn't be where we are today.
South African business groups were concerned earlier this year that they might lose those US trade benefits. A bipartisan group of US senators balked at South Africa hosting the annual AGOA summit in November. They disagreed with South Africa's neutral stance on the war in Ukraine and its perceived warm relations with Russian President Vladimir Putin. Lumkile Mondi, an economics lecturer at Johannesburg's Witwatersrand University, explains.
That has led, therefore, to suspicion about South Africa and a view from certain quarters, particularly in the US Congress, arguing that why should we give them market access to our market when in fact South Africa is in bed with Putin.
However, the last few months have seen a warming of relations between the two nations, with US Trade Representative Catherine Tai saying she looks forward to visiting South Africa for the summit next week. Kate Bartlett for VOA News, Johannesburg.
Insulated from reality and slow to recognize.